In this video, I'm going to talk about how to prepare your dataset for the analysis in the SPSS software. First thing you have to do is to examine the dataset for the outliers and missing data. For example, some questionnaires are left unfinished and some questions are left unanswered. So you have to remove those from the dataset. Here I have 109 records of complete data. First, I have to change the format of the file into a comma-separated values file, which means each line of the data would be a data record. So I would save the file, and then I would open the file in SPSS software. Okay, now I have 8 variables here, so it may seem more, but it's only 8 variables. But each variable has more than one value here because each variable was measured with several questions in the questionnaire, but I only need one value for each variable. So I have to compute the value of each variable, meaning I have to extract the mean of the value or the average value of each variable. So for example, I have purchase intention here, which was measured with 3 questions. So I have to extract the mean or the average of the value here. So what I have to do, I use compute variable, and I scroll down to a statistic, and then I choose mean. So here is the formula. I just write it down. So I want the mean value of purchase intention. So I have to choose each value of this scale. Don't forget the comma. And then I have to put it in, put a name for it. So purchase and then OK. So now I have the final value for purchase intention. I have to do this for each of the values that I have here. So let's go with the independent variables. So I have, for example, the food quality variable. So I just comma, and then I rename it, so food quality. Let's make 2 others. So I have also service quality, let's put another independent variable. I have also value for money. And final independent variable would be brand credibility. Oh, the order doesn't matter because we want to extract the average. So don't worry about the order or how to you put the values here, it doesn't matter. So now I have one dependent variable, purchase intention, and 4 independent variables. So now my data is complete and is ready for further tests and whichever test and analysis I want to do in SPSS on them. If you want to know what kind of test I want to do, don't miss my other videos.